Every great movie starts with someone's imagination. The problem is, turning that imagination into reality has always been expensive. You need actors, cameras, locations, a huge crew, and sometimes millions of dollars. But what if you could direct your own movie from your bedroom? Control every character, every camera angle, every location, every single scene, without hiring anyone. That's exactly what we're going to explore today. By the end of this video, you'll see how this AI platform lets you create films in a way that honestly feels like sitting in a real director's chair. And if you're serious about AI filmmaking, make sure you stay until the end because I'll be giving away 3 professional accounts completely free. It only takes a minute to enter, and I'll show you exactly how to participate before this video ends. Before we jump in, 2 quick things. AZ8 recently launched their studio annual membership for $768, and if you're planning to make AI films regularly, it's worth checking out. They also have a creator program where approved creators can receive up to $300 in platform credits, which is a great way to get started. First, open the Chrome browser and search for AZ8. Click on the first website, then select Start Creating Free. Wait a few seconds until the dashboard loads. The interface is quite simple. On the left side, select your preferred language, then click New Project to get started. Once inside the dashboard, you'll notice your credits displayed at the top right. One of the best features here is team collaboration. Simply copy the project link and share it with your friends or teammates. On the left panel, you'll find multiple options including text, image, video, and more. There's also a library section where you can access ready-made templates and upload your own folders. Now that we've covered the features, let's generate our first image. Click the Image button, adjust your settings, then paste your prompt. For the model, I recommend GPT Image 2. It delivers excellent results. After selecting the model, click and choose Text to Image. Then set your preferred aspect ratio, resolution, and quality. I personally selected medium quality. Finally, hit the Generate button and watch the magic happen. Check out, guys. Our image is ready, and the detail is absolutely stunning. I've created an anime character, so now let's build the environment around it. Right-click on the canvas, select Image, and adjust the settings. Paste your environment prompt, then choose your preferred model, mode, ratio, resolution, and quality. Any setting works fine here. Hit the Generate button, and your environment will be ready in moments. As you can see, the result looks incredible. Now right-click again and select World. This feature is genuinely mind-blowing. Click on it. Then paste your prompt. I've used a very simple one, make it 3D, and it works perfectly. Here's the most important step. If you try to generate directly, it won't work. You must first connect your image. Look for the plus icon, click it, then link it to your image. Once connected, you'll see the world is now tied to your image. You can also give this world a custom name if you'd like. Once everything is set, click the Generate button and wait a few seconds. Your 3D world will be ready, just like that. Now click Compose Scene, and you'll enter your AI world. As you can see, you can freely adjust the world to your liking, but the most exciting part is adding characters. Simply click Object, then select Character, and choose your person. Your character will appear inside the world, and you can position them exactly where you want. You can also change the poses of your character. This is truly where the tool becomes mind-blowing. Additionally, you can adjust the character's height and freely zoom in or zoom out across the world. Once you've arranged everything to your satisfaction, it's time to capture it. Click the Screenshot button and take 2 to 3 screenshots from different angles. You also have the option to add shapes and even animals. Just click on whichever you need, adjust the placement, then take your screenshot. I personally didn't add any animals this time, so I skipped that step. Now head back to your project, and as you can see, all your screenshots are already saved and ready to use. Now right-click and select Add Image, then connect your character image. In the same way, connect your 3D world as well. Once both are linked, paste your prompt, select your preferred model along with any additional settings you'd like, then hit the Generate button. As you can see, the output quality is absolutely outstanding. Now repeat the same process. Add another image, connect the character, then connect the environment image as well. This time, we'll be creating a storyboard in grid form. Simply paste your prompt, click Generate, and your storyboard will be ready in moments. As you can see, our storyboard has been successfully generated. Next, click the Action button and select Extract from Grid. Here you'll choose exactly which grid you want to extract from. Now comes the most exciting part. We're going to convert the storyboard into a video. Right-click, select Video, connect your storyboard to it, then click on the video node and paste your prompt. Select your model. I've chosen CDance 2.0 Fast, as it delivers exceptional results. Next, set the mode to Image to Video, then select your preferred duration. I've set mine to 10 seconds. Now choose your resolution, ratio, and make sure to enable Generate Audio. You'll also notice an option called Zoom. Click on it and you'll find two powerful features. Number 1. Find Reference. This searches for matching reference templates and images to use as a visual guide, ensuring the AI follows a specific style or composition. Number 2. Content Score. This analyzes your prompt and suggests edits to improve it, resulting in better quality output. In simple words, it rates your prompt. So if you want stronger results, definitely make use of this feature. Once you're satisfied with everything, click the Generate button and wait a few moments. Your video will be ready. Check the preview. As you can see, the quality is absolutely incredible. To download, simply click the Download button at the top and save your final video. Now, following the same process, right-click and select Video, then connect the storyboard to the video node. Paste your new scene prompt, select your preferred model, mode, duration, resolution, and ratio. Once everything is configured, click the Generate button and wait a few seconds until your video is ready. Preview the result. As you can see, the quality is absolutely outstanding. For every additional scene, follow the exact same workflow. Right-click, add a new video node, connect the storyboard, paste your prompt, and generate. It's that simple. Before you go, here's how to enter the giveaway. First, create your free AZ8 account using the link in the description. Then come back and leave a comment telling me what you liked most about AZ8 and one thing you'd like to see improved. That's it. 3 lucky viewers will receive a free professional account.